Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Google Chrome on Asus ROG Ally. And to do this you'll need to open your Start, then the first browser that you have installed is Microsoft Edge. You can open it and in the search find the Google Chrome. Now select the first link. Currently it's in Polish. I will try to find the English version. There's not, but you can just follow what buttons I'm pressing and you'll manage to download it as well. So click on the link and it's probably in the language of your Asus ROG Ally or on your current region. And then click on this blue button, download Chrome. When it's ready, you can open this file, click yes, and proceed with the setup. When it's finished, your browser should pop open, and now the only thing left to do is to open our settings to set this browser as a default. So as I mentioned, open as settings and go for the apps. Inside we have default apps and we want to find the Google Chrome. Here it is, click on this arrow and then click set as default. This should change your browser to the default for most of the extensions that you can use it with. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.